Okay guys, it's time to start fixing our artificial nails with the simple instructions at home. Are you ready? What you're gonna need, a cotton pads, you're gonna need the file, you're gonna need a cuticle oil if you have one at home. If you don't worry, you can use a hand cream, you can use your desired nail varnish and a top coat.
I'm the one for a good time, call phones blowing up, ringing my doorbell. I feel the love, feel the love. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throwing back till I lose count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throwing back till I lose count. Gotta get up now, gotta run from this. Here comes the shame, comes the shame. Body close, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throwing back till I lose count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throwing back till I lose count.
The last bit of nails is the oil cuticle, which actually is gonna help your dry skin out as well. So let's start using it.
Push it down. I'm the one for a good time, call phones blowing up, ringing my doorbell. I feel the love, feel the love. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throwing back till I lose count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throwing back.
Hi guys, if you like my video and my little tricks for your nails at home, please subscribe. You're gonna right here. You're gonna have more videos like that. If you have any ideas, please let me know and I'll be looking forward for your replies. Have a lovely day.